Happy day, students. Let us learn chapter 7 in English. All is for the best. ಆಗುವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಕ್ಕೆ. Once upon a time, there was a court jester in a king's court. There lived a jester in a king's court. The king was very fond of him. The king liked the jester very much. One day, by accident, one of king's finger was cut off. Once the king met with an accident and his finger was cut off. The king showed his bleeding hand to the court jester. After returning back, the king showed his injured finger to the jester. The jester said, "Don't worry, it's all for the best." The jester said, the king, that he need not worry. What has happened with him is for the good. The king lost his temper. The king got angry. He had expected the court jester to offer some words of sympathy. The king expected the jester to show sympathy or pity on him. The king was so annoyed that he drove him out of his court. The king was so angry that he drove the jester out of his court. The jester had hurt king's feeling. The jester had caused pain. Some days later, the king was out for hunting. After some days, the king had gone for hunting in a forest. When he became tired, he sat down to take rest under a tree. After hunting, the king was very tired, so he sat under the tree to take rest. Suddenly, the king was surrounded by a group of savages. They stood around the king. Savages stood around the king. Savages means uncivilized or cruel people. They were happy to find a person whom they could sacrifice to their goddess. As the savages were looking for an animal or person to offer to their goddess, they finally found a person. So the savages were very much happy to see the person to give an offering to their goddess. The king was helpless before them. The king couldn't do anything. They were surrounded. As they looked over the king, their eyes fell on the wound that was on the king's finger. As soon as they looked at the king, they found that the king's finger was cut off. "Mother shall not accept the sacrifice of a man with a physical defect," said the leader. The leader of savages told that a man with a physical defect will not be accepted by the god. "This man is not suitable for an offering to the goddess. Let him go away," continued the leader of the wild man. So, savages let him free. Now the king realized the wisdom behind the statement of the king of the court jester. Now the king realized the intelligence of the court jester. What he told on that day, what has happened, everything was for good. It was indeed all for the best. The court jester was called to the court once again. The king called the jester again to his court. The king narrated his experience to him and appreciated the jester's wisdom. Now the king told him the story, what he had experienced in the forest, and he appreciated the jester. He praised the jester. The court jester replied, "Your Excellency, it is always for the best. Even my dismissal was for the best." Here the jester is saying, my departure from the court was also good. If you had not been angry with me, I would have accompanied you to the jungle. That day, if you had not sent me from the court, I would have come along with you to the forest or jungle. And then the wild savages would have sacrificed me to the goddess. In fact, this dismissal have saved my life also. So the jester is saying that the jester's departure from the court was also a good. If not, jester would have accompanied the king and the savages would have sacrificed jester instead of the king. Thank you, students.